Today, we are going to evaluate the Lofree Touch Mouse. Starting with the packaging. It features a minimalist design. It features mechanical keyboard-style keycaps. This screen color is absolutely stunning. The scale shows it weighs around 106 grams. The bottom stores the 2.4G dongle for plug-and-play connectivity, ensuring a stable connection to your computer. DPI display lets you see the sensitivity value at a glance. The feeling of lying down is very comfortable.